Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Glow Up with Ify. So today I want us to look at this head gear up. Actually, it wasn't planned for. I did it while I was tying it. I made a video and I never knew that it will come out this beautiful. So I decided to post it so that those that really want to learn how to tie it, they can, check it out and see how they can go about it. And also, is something you can do on your own. Okay, is how will I put anyhow gele, because it wasn't planned for, but it came out lovely. So I also want to use this opportunity to welcome my old subscribers and the new one. Don't forget to like, to share, and to comment. So without wasting much of your time, let us get started. So this is the video of the gele or the headgear. So I just folded the fabric. This is ashoke, so I folded it into two and I folded it again, so you're making four places into four places. You see, no pleats. There was nothing like pleats. Like I said earlier, I was just doing it just for doing sake. You understand? So I folded it into four. I'm trying to arrange it well. So after which I placed it on my head. I placed it on my head and take it to the back. Then I brought it back to the front. Here I was like, what do I want to do? How do I go about this? As you can see, I was a little bit confused, but I was like, let me just see the outcome. So I decided to use this side, which was my left hand side. I decided to tie it at my left hand side. So don't forget, one is longer than the other, is not the same, so you can make it either 40-60. Yeah, 40-60, it's okay. 40-60. So after tying it, I'm trying to tighten it a bit, so I had to retie it. So you have to tie it twice. Just make the knot twice. Yes. Oh, my hand was aching me while I was doing this. So I've done it, so it's very tight. Now you take the bigger side of the gele or of the fabrics, whichever the ashoke. You take the bigger one and fold it. Just watch what I was doing, because it's something that I can't really explain, because I was just doing it. Let me just do and see what will be the outcome. So I did little pleats, just try to fold it, then I use the pin to pin it down. I used a pin to pin it down, and I was trying to adjust the other side too. So while watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also share to friends, anyone that you know that loves tying gele or wants to do it by herself. Kindly share my video to them. And again, after this video, you have to tell me the name of the style, because I was just doing it. Yes, I don't have any special name for it. So put what you will name it. If you are the one tying it, what will you name this style? I want to know in the comment section. Thank you. So I'm just trying to pin it down with my pin, then I tucked the other side in. I tucked it in. I've already used the pin to pin the front side down, so I'm just trying to adjust and just trying to spread the other one out. So I now use a pin to pin the two edges together. I pinned the two edges together, then I also did the same right there. Wow, it's coming out beautiful gradually. So I also use a pin to hold it down, trying to adjust and see how it will look like. Yes. So I used a pin to pin it down. So sorry for the background, the noise in the background. So I'm just trying to arrange it properly. I'm trying to arrange it. So wow. Yes. Wow. See how beautiful it looks. Yes, I'm trying to pull it back a little bit. Yes, so we are done. You see, very easy to tie, very easy, and you can also do it all by yourself. Yay! Just follow the steps and you get it. So wow, I'm so happy, and because it came out very beautiful. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to give it a try. Let me know if you give it a try. It's always good to try something. Just try something new. It will come out nicely. So we have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, then hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. So thank you. Till we meet in our next video. Bye.